Have you ever met someone who's completely different at school versus at home? Because there was a kid I went to school with named Barry, but Barry was very shy and antisocial. A lot of people at school didn't even know who he was because he never talked, and the only reason I did was because we sat next to each other in class. So I just figured this was how he always acted, until one day we got put together for a group project and I needed a way to contact him. So I looked up his name on social media and I found his profile, but it was a lot different from what I expected, to say the least. Because you know what he posted on there? He posted videos of him rapping. Outside of school, he was pursuing a full-blown rap career. But the best part was that his username was Lil Barry. So when I asked him at school who Lil Barry was, his face got super red because I don't think he wanted anyone to find out. But he should have been happy to show it off. He